Hey, what's up you guys? If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Hyundai Santa Fe Sport, you have to have trailer wiring installed. It's required by the law. Let's go ahead and break down that install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. Next, on the driver's side, we're going to remove this underbody panel. We're going to start by removing these 4 push pins. We're going to use a flathead screwdriver to take those out. So with that panel removed, we now have access to our pre-wired plugs that are located here and here. Now these are pre-wired with all of our towing functions, so let's go ahead and take the caps off of both of them. So to remove the cap, we're just going to push down on that tab, and we'll just pull it back. For our other harness, our tab is on the back side. We're just going to push that down and pull it off. So now with those caps removed, we're just going to go ahead and plug them in. Just going to match them up until it clicks, and then we'll do our other one. So now we're going to check our fuse holder that's already installed on our wiring kit. Now there should be a 15 amp fuse in here already. This is powering up our wiring. Our kit does have it. If yours happens to miss it, just make sure that you put a 15 amp fuse in there, otherwise your wiring won't work. So now we're going to bundle up and zip tie our converter box and extra wires right to our existing wiring right here so that it stays out of the way. We're just going to tuck it in over here, and we'll throw some zip ties around it. So now we're going to take our 4-flat harness and we're going to route it right next to our hitch receiver. Now if you have the draw-tied hitch installed on your vehicle, you'll have a mounting plate welded onto your hitch where you can mount it onto, which we're going to do. But first we're going to route this through our bumper support so it stays safe and secure behind it. So using the mounting plate, we're going to take a 4-flat mounting bracket. This is not included with our kit, but you can pick one up at your closest U-Haul or at uhaul.com. So we're just going to line this up with the existing holes, and we'll drop our screws into place. And then we'll install the nuts on the other side. And then we'll tighten them using a 10mm socket. And we'll pull our 4-flat through. And there's little grooves on it that lock it into place. And then we'll secure it with our dust cover. So that wraps up our install for our trailer wiring. It's all powered up and you're ready to tow a trailer. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with the U-Haul Hitch Professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.